Morning students, hope you are doing well and complete your work on time. Welcome to the English online classes of class 2 from Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will study about chapter number 18 from your NCERT. There is a very interesting story, the magic porridge pot. Okay, let's start the chapter. The magic porridge pot. Once there was a little girl named Tara. So there was a little girl whose name was Tara. She lived with her mother. They were very poor. So Tara lived with her mother, but they were very poor. One day she went to a forest. There she met an old woman. The old woman gave her a pot. She said, "This is a magic pot. It will cook porridge for you when you say, 'Cook, pot, cook.'" So one day Tara went to the forest. In the forest she went to an old woman and she gave her a pot, a magic pot. And she said, when you want some food, so you say, "Cook, pot, cook." Okay, that is the magical words. Cook, pot, cook. It will stop making porridge when you say, "Stop, pot, stop." And when you will stop making the porridge, so you have to say, "Stop, pot, stop." So for cooking there are the three magical words: cook, pot, cook. And when you have to stop the cooking, so you have to say, "Stop, pot, stop." So she said two magical words: cook, pot, cook, and stop, pot, stop. Tara was very happy. She ran to her mother and said, "Mother, we will no longer be hungry as I have got a magic pot." So she was very happy to take the magic pot, and she said all the things that the old woman said, and she said कि we will not longer be hungry as I have got a magic pot. Tara said to the pot, "Cook, pot, cook." And the pot cooked porridge. Her mother was very happy and they both ate porridge. So Tara applied the magic words to the pot, okay, and the pot started making porridge, and both of them ate the porridge happily. One day when Tara had gone out, her mother felt hungry. She said to the pot, "Cook, pot, cook." The pot started cooking porridge. So one day Tara was not at home. She had gone out. So her mother felt hungry and she said the magical words, "Cook, pot, cook." And the pot started cooking porridge. After eating it, her mother said, "Do not cook, pot." But the pot went on cooking. But her mother was not, she is not how to stop the cooking. But she said, "Do not cook, pot." But these words are not magical. So the pot went on cooking. Soon the porridge started spilling on the floor. When it is cooking, so it is spilling on the floor. Mother called out again, "Wait, do not cook anymore." But the pot did not stop, because those were not the magical words. Mother ran out of the house and the porridge followed her. And where the mother had gone, so the porridge followed her, and soon there was porridge everywhere. The whole village saw it. They ran to eat the porridge. All the villagers ate the porridge. Okay. When Tara came back, she saw that the road was full of porridge. So she ran home as fast as she could, and she heard her mother shout, "Tara, the pot is cooking and it will not stop." And when she came to the house, her mother was very puzzled, and she shouted her, it will not stop. Tara called out, "Stop, pot, stop," and it stopped cooking porridge. And the Tara said the magical words to stop cooking, "Stop, pot, stop." And at that time, the pot stopped cooking porridge. So this is very interesting story. These were the magical words that the pot started cooking and the pot stopped cooking. Okay, let's read out the summary of the story. The story is about a poor girl, Tara, and her mother. One day an old woman gave Tara a magic pot. In a forest, the old woman told two magical words to stop cooking and to start cooking. And when you have to say cook, pot, cook, and stop making them, you say stop, pot, stop. Tara take that pot to her home. One day Tara was not at home and her mother felt hungry, so she said, "Cook, pot, cook," and porridge started cooking. But the mother did not know how to stop cooking. She did not know how to stop cooking. She became scared as her home was filled with porridge and all around, and soon there was porridge everywhere. All the villagers ate the porridge. Suddenly Tara came back and she saw porridge was everywhere on the roads. She ran quickly towards home and she said the magical word "stop, cook, stop, pot, stop," and the pot stopped cooking porridge quickly. Okay student, that is very interesting story. Let's revise the word meaning of this story. Forest. Forest means jungle. Pot, a vessel or a utensil. Magic, tricky. Porridge, a kind of food. Porridge means that is a kind of food. We said it, dalia. No longer, no, not now. Hungry, feeling to eat something. Happy, in a jolly mood. Ate, took, swallowed. Gone out, went somewhere. Spilling, flow over. Any more? No more. Followed, pursued or accompanied. Village, a rural area. Full, filled up. The road was full of porridge, means filled up. NCERT textbook questions. Let's revise the question answer of this chapter, beta. Where did Tara go one day? Tara went to the forest one day. Where did she go? She went to a forest. What did the old woman give Tara? What did the old woman give Tara? Yes, the old woman gave a magic pot to Tara. What did the magic pot cook? The magic pot cooked porridge. The magic pot cooked porridge. Who said do not cook pot? Who said do not cook pot? Tara's mother said do not cook pot. Okay, because she did not know about the magical words to stop cooking. Why was there so much porridge on the road? There was so much porridge on the road because her mother did not know how to stop the pot from cooking the porridge. She did not know how to stop cooking. Let's write, fill in the blanks with a, and, or the. These are the articles. Once there was dash beautiful garden. Beautiful. That is, we have to use a. B is a consonant. So we have to use garden again. So we have to write here the. The garden had apple. A is a vowel. So we have to write here an. An apple tree. Orange tree. So we have to use an orange tree. And a guava tree. So the garden lived a big giant. So we have to use the giant again. So we have to write here the giant. The giant did not like children to play the garden because the garden is repeated. The giant is also repeated. So we have to use here the. Used to eat fruit. So a fruit every day from the garden. But he did not share these with the children. Children is using the second or third time. So we have to write here the. So his garden dried up because she did not share it now. So the garden dried up. Okay students, let's do the word building. Look at the letters given below and make words. Like with K, kite, kitten, kangaroo. P, parrot, pigeon, pink. J, jungle, jug, jackal. T, tiger, tomato, ticket. M, monkey, man, maze. So you have to given the letters and you have to make any more words beta that will be started from these letters. It is for fun. Okay friends, you have to read this chapter with the help of the video and complete the exercise in your book and learn and write the word meaning and question answer in your text notebook. Okay friends, see you again. Bye bye.